guess we'll need these 2 bolts loose, huh? Yeah. And then take it off right there.
Alright, let's get some sockets. We decided to go ahead and take this back plate off here, going around there, so we can get in there to the brakes a little bit better. Alright, I'm going to get these 2. Alright, that's them 2 out.
Car keys holding them. Time you'd be turned up. Yep, gotta take him loose.
I wouldn't have never guessed that.
Bottom one turning.
Yeah.
It's spinning?
Yeah.
Well, why didn't you say something?
I was in camera mode.
Come on.
Trapped like a rat.
We got there 7/16.
Let me grab it.
drop a lot washer?
I think so.
Now your bolt's messing with me.
A jigsaw puzzle.
No jigsaw puzzle. I can't get it out because that other bolt's messing with me. And the camera's in the way.
There she is. Hard fault.
Let's put these babies back on there. Let's see, they went from down this way. What's holding it?
Shifter handle.
Right here's holding it now.
What's the problem? That should push back if we raise that up.
No, it won't. It's square up here.
No, I mean raise the back end up again, and I can push down the clutch pedal here, and that'll pull forward.
Come over here and look.
And it'll clear out of there.
No, it won't.
Or does that push back when I push it
Come
up?
over here and look.
Alright.
Off of it?
Yep.
Alright, now let's get this one right here holding this emergency brake on.
This screw on?
Right.
Oh. Alright.
We're going to take this off here. Now. Alright. Let's see what the rod's caught up on.
Get up here. Our boards. Wait a minute. Need to lift this up right here.
Lift it up. The knob's hitting up there.
Our boards are in a not great place. This rod here is stuck on it.
Stuck on it where on the front.
If I can turn this rod. Get the light. Stuck right there.
I don't know if you can or lift it up.
Might need a little pair of pliers or whatever you got.
I can't reach anything. I'm holding the jack in. Pull this back stake. Get this on camera. What are we holding? The safety wires? Take it loose. It should come out right there, but you okay.
Yeah.
Come on with it. Let it down. other way. They told me this was there.
Huh. I finally see that lock washer.
I do too, the little creep.
Alright. I'm not sure where that lock washer was hiding. We'd lost it a little earlier. Must have been up underneath the jack wheel. Far off shot there with the rear end out.
Let's get her sitting up on a bench or something. A view of the busted end here.
You need to flip it over the other way, I guess.
Let's slide it up this one. Oh, God, that like to get.
Oh, making some racket. Come check out this end.
You gotta walk around that way.
That's where it's all busted and broke right there. Got some pieces inside of it too, I heard.
Yeah.
Cracked all the way down to here.
That's from the pieces that broke off and had no place to go.
Yep. Alright.
And I've just seen water in there.
Mm-hmm. We're pulling the hubs off using this support ring here. Keep it from breaking. We're pulling them off. Taking off this other side here.
Maybe.